Welcome. If you've ever struggled to find your group posts and comments history on your Facebook page using the latest version of the Facebook app on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through every step to easily locate all your activity in Facebook groups, even after the newest updates. Let's jump right in. First, start by opening your Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your personal settings. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll see your profile photo. Click on your photo to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu gives you quick access to some of Facebook's most essential features. Next, scroll down in the drop-down menu and look for Settings and Privacy. Once you find it, click on it and then select Settings. This is where you can control almost every aspect of your Facebook experience. Now on the left sidebar, you'll see a selection of options. Scroll down until you locate Activity Log. Click on Activity Log to see a full overview of your recent activity on Facebook. Inside the Activity Log, look for the section called Groups, Posts, and Comments. Click on it to see every post and comment you've ever made within Facebook groups. You can browse through this list to review, edit, or even delete any of your past activities. And that's it. With these steps, you'll have complete access to your group-related activity history. This is perfect if you want to manage your older comments, revisit important posts, or just keep track of your interactions within Facebook groups. Remember, these steps are based on the most recent Facebook updates, so the layout should look very similar on your screen. Follow these directions, and you'll never lose track of your group activity again. If you found this guide helpful, consider checking out more tips and tricks on optimizing your social media experience. Thanks for watching.